My message through the years has been that we can all become cancer ambassadors, and we should not try in spreading the word about the importance of cancer screening. Cancer is not an easy disease. Tunajua si ugonjwa rahisi, that one we cannot deny. And when it comes, the whole family is strained. Let's see what more we can do today, because sometimes cancer kuja kwa familia, tunatenga watu, we don't want to visit them, tutaki kujihusisha nao, tunatapata cancer, hapana. If I have cancer and you come to my home, tunakula na wewe utapata cancer. You know? And let us not shun anybody with cancer, because they need our love, they need our care, and above all, we must pray together for us to overcome these life hurdles. And it's very good news that in the next financial year we'll have a cancer center. That way, if you have cancer, you don't have to go to Kenyatta or to the private hospitals in Europe, which are very, very expensive. Tutakuwa tumeenda to level 5 and you get good treatment.